How to uninstall OANDA app on Android. First of all, unlock your device and open the Settings app. Then scroll down and find Apps or App Management depending on your device. Tap on it and you will see a full list of installed apps. Next, scroll through the list and look for OANDA. Once you find it, tap on the app name to open its details page. After that, tap on the uninstall button. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to remove the app from your device. Simply press OK and the uninstallation process will begin. Within a few moments, the OANDA app will be completely removed from your device and it will no longer appear on your home screen or app drawer. Now you know how to uninstall OANDA app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.